Yeah, the prosecution is nearly finished presenting its case. Testimony is still going on late on a Monday night. Right now, jurors are hearing from a member of the FBI who is walking them through how the agency used cell phone data to connect the defendants to the murder of a Philadelphia police officer.
Day 4 of the trial for the two men accused of murdering Philadelphia Police Sergeant Richard Mendez, focusing on forensic evidence. A homicide detective taking the stand this afternoon and telling the jury pictures, Instagram posts, and other social media interactions link Yubrani Martinez Fernandez and Hendrik Pena Fernandez to each other, as well as 3 relevant locations the night of the October 2023 shooting. The two men are accused of being part of a theft ring targeting vehicles in the airport parking garage when they were interrupted by Mendez and his partner, Officer Raul Ortiz. Prosecutors accuse Yubrani of firing several shots, fatally striking Mendez and injuring Ortiz, while Hendrik acted as the getaway driver in a stolen black Dodge. Investigators say another suspect, Jesus Madeira Duran, was also shot in the parking garage and later died. The homicide detective says an analysis of cell phone data shows the two men's phones were at the airport at the time of the shooting. Chop when a critically injured Madeira Duran was dropped off shortly after, and a few hours later in Cranberry, New Jersey, around the time the Dodge was set on fire. The detective also showed the jury a link to an NBC 10 article of the shooting Yubrani allegedly sent to his girlfriend hours after it happened, and a still image of Yubrani outside a phone store the next day where he received a new phone and number. Both defense teams are attempting to cast doubt their clients were present at the time of the shooting. Yubrani's asking the detective it's a possibility that somebody else was using his phone number, to which the detective responded, it's a possibility. The attorney then asked, at no time does Yubrani Martinez Fernandez implicate himself, correct? To which the detective responded, that is correct. Hendrik's attorney also trying to cast doubt his client was involved, arguing during cross-examination that none of the phone data presented to the jury connects his client to Jesus Madeira Duran and another defendant, Alexander Batista Polanco, before the shooting.
And prosecutors say Batista Polanco pleaded guilty. He took the stand on Friday and testified against the other two defendants. He told the jury that they were part of a group that went to the airport that night to steal cars. Now, the prosecution is expected to rest its case as early as tomorrow. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Center City tonight, I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.